Facebook and Instagram ads, which is Meta ads, have changed the digital marketing game. So today we are going to learn Meta ads perfectly, and what you will get to learn today will be 100% helpful for you to run Meta ads of every kind of business. So stay tuned till last because I am going to share the top secret of digital marketers that no one is going to tell you on YouTube. I am absolutely sure that when the video will get over, you will be able to run Meta ads for any kind of business in the video. I am going to explain you the process of running Meta ads efficiently. It will be in major parts. That is 1, taking ideas from the already running ads of people. 2, making ad creatives, banners. 3, getting content from ChatGPT campaign setup. Then finally, the most important part, that is audience building that no one tells because it is the top secret of digital marketers. I am going to create real estate ads, for example, but you can apply the process for any kind of business and boost your sales, whether you are a business owner, employee, or digital marketer. So first we have to go on Meta Ads Manager. It will be like this. It's overview page of Meta ads. Now, for getting idea that what kind of ads our competitors are running, we will go to Meta Ads Library. After opening Meta Ads Library, we have to select the country of which we have to see the ads examples. Then enter the category of the ad. For example, I am entering real estate, so it is showing each and every ad that are currently running in our area in category of business. Now take an idea what kind of content they are adding to their ads and see the ad creatives or banners they are using. Now, for example, I am taking the picture of this villa, and I will show you, for example, by making a for sale advertisement of this villa. So first we are making creative. So for free, we go to Canva, then click on Create New, then select the landscape post size and upload the villa picture that we have taken earlier from Meta Ads Library. Then resize according to the size and show your best creativity. Here it is, the most important part of advertisement on. We have to be creative as much as we can. Then add details on the banner like location, starting price, and the kind of property we are advertising. Not add too much on the banner. Just focus on location, kind of property, and price. For price, you can use starting from, investment starts from, or only at. These kind of lines. Then our landscape banner is ready. This is only for showing you the process. You can apply your brains and creativity here. Then make the same banner in story ad size because we also want out ad to show on stories of Instagram and Facebook. You can also add some information on the remaining part, which empty like this. Now for the content, which is headlines and descriptions, go to ChatGPT and enter. Make me a description for real estate villa sale ads for Meta ads. Then it will give us the content. If we want to add or edit some information, we have to edit thus a little bit. And we can also tell ChatGPT to give more engaging and unique content. Then we will have our banner and content both. Now go to Meta Ads Manager and click or Create button. As you can see, there are options to choose our campaign objective that are awareness, traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, sales. So here we are making leads campaign because we want leads of the interested peoples, those who entered their contact information for further process. Name the ad anything so we can remember the ad campaign. Then here is showing the option of buying type. It will be same as it is auction. Then there is a option of selection budget. So for example, and first learning campaign, we will select campaign budget option because we want our budget to be used on this particular campaign. So I selected this budget because I am using an Indian account. You can enter according to you. I suggest to enter a small budget in starting, then increase after results and campaign optimization. Then here is conversion option, how we want to convert our visitor. So we select instant forms option because we want leads from that form, which will be filled by interested visitor through our ads. Then select the page on which ads will run. We have to create a Facebook page first, then add here the page. Then here is option of performance goal. Select maximize number of conversion leads because we want most of the converting leads. Then here you can select the area where we have to show our ads. For example, I'm entering United States, and you can also enter particular area or city by entering like this. You can also adjust by radius in kilometers. And then you can also select the device where you want your ads to be placed. I am leaving this on all devices. Then you can see platforms here. I am going to add only Facebook, Instagram, and removing audience network because I want my ads to be shown on Instagram and Facebook only. After all this, we have to create a form for lead submission. So we are going to create a form here. I am selection more volume option because I want leads in more volume. As many leads as possible under this budget. You can also add greetings from here. And also you can ask some questions that will be useful in further sales, such as what is your budget or something you want in leads form. Then click next, then add a privacy policy link for this. Go to Facebook privacy policy search on Google, Facebook's privacy policy, then paste the link and enter here. Then click next. Here you can add headline, description like I have entered, thanks you are all set. You can give of your choice. Then you can see additional actions button in which there are options, creating the form instantly, then click on create form and our form is absolutely ready. Now we have to select ad creatives, which is the banners we have made earlier. So SE click on image ad, then upload the banners, then crop the images according to size. And then we have to add headlines and descriptions and call to action, which I am using learn more. Then we will copy the text from ChatGPT, which we have already generated for our ad set, then select the text according to our ad requirements and add more information if not mentioned. After all this, so in case of real estate, I am selecting the age above 30 until 60 years because I think these kind of users may have chances to buy property. You can set according to your needs. Then I am selecting gender male. Again, you can select according to your needs. Then we go to detailed targeting and pay attention here. See what kind of audience are selected by me. These are my saved audience for real estate category. You can type and search interests according to your requirements. So see all these targeting. I am selecting and try to understand the process of custom audience building. Clicking on launch, and then you can see the campaign here on Meta Ads overview.